Hello and welcome. In this YouTube tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to set up accessibility options on your iPhone, making it easier to use for people with different abilities. Whether you have visual, hearing, motor or cognitive challenges, these features will help you customize your iPhone to suit your needs. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe and show some love with a thumbs up. Let's get started. Open up Settings on your iPhone. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Accessibility. 1. Enabling VoiceOver for users with visual impairments. Tap VoiceOver and toggle the switch to enable it. Adjust the speaking rate and other options according to your preference. 2. Activating hearing aid compatibility. Tap Hearing Devices. Toggle on hearing aid compatibility if you use hearing aids. 3. Customizing display and text size. Tap Display and Text Size. Adjust the text size slider to make the text larger or smaller. Enable bold text if needed for better readability. 4. Enabling Assistive Touch. In menu, tap Touch. Tap Assistive Touch and toggle the switch to enable it. Customize the menu and gesture options as per your requirements. 5. Using magnifier. In menu, tap Zoom. Toggle on Zoom and adjust the settings for optimal visibility. 6. Configuring subtitles and captioning. In menu, tap Subtitles and Captioning. Toggle on Closed Captions plus SDH and customize the style to your liking. 7. For additional accessibility features, explore the accessibility shortcut option to enable quick access to frequently used features. Check other accessibility options such as reduce motion, increase contrast. Once done, to use triple tap your home button to access the features set. Congratulations! You've successfully set up accessibility options on your iPhone. These features will enhance your overall user experience, making your device more accessible and user-friendly. Feel free to explore and experiment with the different settings to tailor your iPhone to your specific needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.